Hello my dear students and welcome to the new lesson of operators. So let us see the next operator, which is the conditional operator, and this is the symbol for conditional operator, which is question mark colon, and this is the only ternary operator in the C language. That means it requires 3 operands. So and the syntax of this operator is like this. So firstly there will be any condition in the operator. After that there is question mark. Then there will be the any expression or any statement will be there. So expression 1. After that there will be colon, and there after that there will be expression 2. So while evaluating or while executing this operator, firstly this condition will be solved. So this condition will give you the result either true or false. So if this condition is true, then the result of this operator will be expression 1. That means if condition is true, then this expression 1 will be evaluated. But if the condition is false, then the expression 2 will be evaluated. So that means this operator will give you the result according to the result of condition. So if it is true, then expression 1 will be the answer, and if it is false, then expression 2 will be the answer, or expression 2 will be the result. So consider one example here. So x contains 30, y is equals to 45, and this is where we have used the conditional operator. So here the condition will be solved first, that is x greater than y. So here value of x is 30 greater than 45. So no, condition is false. So condition is false. Therefore, value of the second expression, that is value of y, will be stored in variable z. So that means with this statement z will be equals to y, that is z will be equals to 45. But what if x equals to 300? Let us consider that x equals to 300. So if x equals to 300, then value of x, that is 300, will be greater than 45. So अगर x की वैल्यू मैंने चेंज कर दी, instead of 30 if it is 300, then this condition will become 300 greater than 45. So yes, this is true, condition true है. So condition true है तो value of x, that is 300, will be stored in variable z. So this is the way how the conditional operator actually works. Let us see this operator with a simple program. So this is the same example which I have just discussed about. So let us run this program and see the what output it will generate. So see here the output is 45, है ना, यही हमने सीखा था. X greater than 45, that is 30 greater than 45 is false. So value of y, that is 45, will be stored in z, and with this printf value of z will be displayed. So suppose I here write 300. Okay, x की वैल्यू मैंने क्या कर दी है, suppose 300 कर दी है. So now let us run the program. So see here the now output is 300 because the condition becomes true and value of x, that is 300, will be stored in z. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ असाइनमेंट में ही इसको यूज कर सकते हो. So you can use it in any way. Okay, जैसे suppose for example, so instead of this x and y you can write any c statement. कोई भी statement आप यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल x ग्रेटर देन y है तो मुझे क्या प्रिंट करना है, x की वैल्यू प्रिंट करनी है. ओके, सो आई विल राइट हियर x, अदरवाइज आई विल राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ y. ओके, so see here x is 300, y is equal to 45. So 300 greater than 45, condition is true, so the statement after question mark will be executed. ये वाला statement execute होगा. So hence 300 will be displayed. So let us run this program. So see, there is an error here. Okay, so this semicolon should not be there. Okay, यहाँ पे printf में semicolon नहीं चाहिए because यहाँ पे end of the statement नहीं है. जब ये पूरा statement end होगा, then only you have to write the semicolon. Okay, so let us run this now. So see, the output is 300. Okay, suppose I change it here 450. So now 300 greater than 450 will be false. Hence the statement after colon will be executed. So that means value of y will be printed. So that will be output will be 450. Okay. So see, the output becomes 450. So इसका मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कौन से भी स्टेटमेंट में या फिर कहीं पे भी आप कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर यूज कर सकते हो और क्वेश्चन मार्क और कोलन के बाद में भी इसी लैंग्वेज का कोई भी स्टेटमेंट रह सकता है. सो जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया है, प्रिंटफ यूज किया है. सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर नाउ. इन द नेक्स्ट लेसन वी विल बी कमिंग अप विद न्यू लर्निंग्स. थैंक यू.